Amos Health and Hope is dedicated to serve poor rural communities in a way that helps communities themselves. What we try to do is we try to work with communities to build capacity and then give them tools so that they themselves can work with what they have and to do it all together in partnership with Amos, with groups from the United States. The Wake Forest students were great. We took them to the rural community of Kumaica Norte, and the idea was to give the students an experience that would allow them to see the big picture of healthcare in Nicaragua.
It totally opened my eyes to life outside the bubble of Wake Forest and America in general. I think we oftentimes in America think that our lives are normal, how the rest of the world lives, when really we are in the minorities. Families in the community brought their children to be inspected. We measured their height, we took their weight, we tested their blood samples for anemia. It was a pretty all-inclusive day. I think our group definitely contributed to collecting data and giving that knowledge to the community. Found out that approximately 25% of the kids in the community were anemic. That's higher than the national average of 16%. So that was definitely a concern that now that the community knows, they want to take action. This trip to Nicaragua has definitely showed me a route that I could take my communication major that I hadn't necessarily considered before. I was shown very clearly how in Nicaragua how my major's skill sets can be applied to the health field and that there is a place for that in the medical field.
We've just been really happy to work together with Wake Forest. The people we've met have been very wonderful, enthusiastic people, and that's what we like, is to be able to work with other people who care a lot, and that's what we've seen in every person that we've met from Wake Forest, is that they care about making a difference, and so together we can do something.
Hoy celebra sus 100 años, la reina del café. Un 14 de febrero la vio nacer.